What's up guys, in this video we're going to put a new lip under the car over here. So this is the lip, it's already been painted and prepped and everything, because when we received the lip it was white and it was pretty rough. So we smoothened it out and now everything is ready to put it on the car. Unfortunately we don't have that on video, so now everything is prepared and we're gonna put it on the lip. So enjoy the show and don't forget to like, subscribe and comment.
Probeer eens tegen.
Ja?
Want die is goed.